Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I got a huge announcement for you guys. So if you're involved in real estate, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this announcement because it's going to be super helpful to you. And best of all, it's going to be free. So make sure you stick around to hear that. Also in today's video, I'm going to be bringing some updates to my business about what's been going on during the coronavirus. And also, I'm just going to give a little story about who I am and exactly that I do for those people that don't know exactly who I am yet. So if you guys are ready, let's just go ahead and get started here. So first of all, I'm just going to go ahead and get started with my story here and just get that knocked out of the way. So if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Aaron Kelly. I'm the founder and owner of AK Marketing. And just a backstory into how I got started into this. I started in September of 2019. About a month or so before that, I was working in a restaurant, and unfortunately I had to quit because I wasn't getting paid for the amount of hours that I was working. Long story short, that guy actually ended up closing a month later after I left. And during that time that I was off, I went out camping with my wife since we both had some time off together. And a couple of days after coming back home from camping, I looked down at my leg and noticed I had this big splotch on my leg. So that freaked me out. I got on Google and I did an image search and was trying to figure out exactly what I had, if it was like a spider bite or something like that. So we just decided to play it safe, and we went ahead and went to the doctor. When we got to the doctor's office and got in there, she looked at it and pretty much knew exactly what it was right away. She said, I'm pretty sure you got Lyme disease. They ran the test, came back positive. So that pretty much turned my world upside down. And then on top of that, we found out that we had a baby on the way. So that really turned things upside down for me. And I was pretty sick, but I could have been a lot more sick. But I was sick enough to where I didn't feel like going back to work just yet, so I was online looking for ways to work from home, see if I can make some money that way. I started off with drop shipping. I was having issues with it, getting it set up and finding distributors and everything, and it just wasn't really the right business for me, and I really just didn't enjoy doing it. So one day I was on YouTube researching and some stuff on drop shipping, kind of still entertaining the idea of doing it, and I ran across this advertisement teaching you how to start up your own social media marketing agency. And yeah, that's how I got started with everything, and I've came a long way since then, and things have changed and I've learned a lot. Been through trials and error and everything. And so you guys are probably wondering, like, what the heck is it that you do? So to put everything in a nutshell, I help realtors generate leads for their business, and I also help them with any other digital marketing needs. I basically help them save time and money so they can focus on their clients and other areas of their business that's important to them. Basically, I do this through lead generation, content management, video editing, marketing consultation, and a few other things. Basically, I know what it's like to struggle gaining leads for your business and focusing on those day-to-day tasks you don't really want to when you got other things that you feel like is more important that you need to be focusing on. So my passion is to help others with their digital marketing needs so they don't have to worry about that aspect of their business and they can focus on the things that matter to them. So yeah, that's basically what I do in a nutshell. The coronavirus in my business. So ever since coronavirus really started up, I really just shut things down at AK Marketing because I didn't feel like it was really a good time to reach out to business owners just because everybody's struggling, and I just didn't feel right in doing it. So I decided to shut things down, and I kind of took that time to remodel what I do and think about what is it that I can do for my clients. So what can I learn to help them, and what can I do to better serve them than what I'm doing now? So I came up with this idea, and here's the big announcement. Most marketers, they just reach out to people all the time and say, hey, get on a call with me, buy my services. I'm like, why don't I give something to people and help people out really, and start gaining a real audience of people and actually helping them. And then when I help those people, they're gonna comment and engage with my post and stuff, and that's what I'm really looking for. I want people to be engaged with my content. So I thought, how could I do this? So I thought, let's put together a course that'll help real estate agents. So I thought, what's something real estate agents struggle with, and something I help real estate agents with, and that's one of the main things really is lead generation and just getting clients in the door and interested home buyers and sellers. So I put together this small course, a 3-day workshop. We're going to do it inside of a Facebook group. There's going to be videos in there, and we're going to be starting up July 8th. So if you guys are interested in the free 3-day Facebook ads workshop, I'm going to leave a link down below. So all you guys got to do is click that link down below, and it'll take you over to the landing page, and you can get registered there. Really think it's going to help you guys out. So if you guys could do me a huge favor, make sure you drop hashtag pumped up in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to leave a like on the video. And also, guys, don't forget to share this with anybody that you know that's involved in real estate, because it's going to be a huge help to everybody, and I want to get as many people in there as possible. And when you guys like and comment on this post, it's going to boost it in the algorithm, and it's going to get to more people, and we're going to be able to help more people. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. We're starting up July 8th. Once you guys get in the group, make sure you guys stick around, because in the future we're going to be doing more workshops. I'm going to be doing workshops on content, building audiences, and things that's going to be useful to you guys. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. We'll catch you in the next one.